How to delete Roblox account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Roblox account within the browser on a desktop, PC, laptop, Chromebook, Mac, anything like that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So unfortunately, Roblox does not give us anywhere in the settings to permanently delete our Roblox account. So the only way we can do it is by submitting a ticket to have Roblox delete it for us. So to do that, scroll all the way down to the bottom of Roblox and select help. Once you get to help, go into the search bar and just search delete, and you'll see how do I deactivate or delete my account, select that, and then look for account deletion and select support form. So now what we need to do is enter our username, the email address you used to sign up, or where you want to receive emails about your account. Now the most important thing is going to be go to type of help category, scroll down until you get to I want to delete my account, then just select the subcategory type and confirm you do indeed want to delete your account. After that, just type, please delete my Roblox account. Make sure you select a device, and then you can go down and select continue. You'll have to do a puzzle before they actually submit the ticket. Then once you see request received, give it some time, check the email that you provided, and at some point they should give you a reply and it should say that your account was deleted, or they might even ask for more information before deleting. So that's how you permanently delete a Roblox account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.